Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel. If you are watching this video, you want to get more information about a made in China platform that will help you to get the best suppliers and producers with the great price for your business that you are making online or offline. Stay tuned because I will guide you through the process of how to find the proper supplier, how to know that you're getting a verified product, and more stuff which is going to be ahead. But before we move on, please check out the description box below this video because all the important links, for example, made in China platform, and you will be able to check it out right away and click the subscribe button if you still didn't do it. Let's go. The first thing that you need to start with is finding a proper product. So let's type in here, for example, sunglasses, right? And let's search them. So here I'm having the variety of sunglasses that are available to order. If you want to compare suppliers and quotes, you can request the quotation. It is right here. You are posting that with the product name. You choose the category. Then you choose the quantity, trade terms, trade target unit price. Your maximum budget, you put in here the details, the shipping method, and then you keep moving. Here you have the product list, supplier list, and audited factory. What does it mean, audited? It means that it was verified with some institutions, third-party institutions that took control of it about different points. For example, export trade capacity or quality control capacity, photos, financial capacity, so on and so forth. And you can of course click on the supplier. You can see the company, you can see some basic information about that, and you can see their reports. You can even read the free report made by the specific organization. So audit report SGS. And you can see the general information is confirmed, the company information is confirmed, so on and so forth. Everything is right here for your interest when you are choosing the supplier. Yes, there is a trade capacity, company shows what awards or award certificates the company got. You can see the bulletin board, optical industry conference, so on and so forth. And here is a magical thing. It's send your message to this supplier. Yes, you need to contact the supplier in order to start your conversation, and here you write your message in this box and then you send it and wait for the response, and then you can make a deal. Right on the right top you can see your account tab, you can see messages, and you can see inquiry basket. So what is here? For example, messages. Let's open that up because here I'm having the inbox, I'm having the send, I'm having the flag inquiry, deleted inquiry, and spam reported, manage reported quotations, manage sourcing requests, managing custom, so on and so forth. So for example, here I'm also having the chat, and as you can see, I'm having people already sending me requests for whatever I was requesting. So that's very convenient, and yes, you can use it right away. So yes, for example, my meal request, I'm already having responses because I posted my my request. And we are moving on. Let's go back to the product list and let's see another very cool feature, which is called secured trading. And when you click on that, you have your products filtered, and now you can already have a secure deal and secure transaction. What it means, let's go into detail. Let's go through some basic information that you need to know in order to be secured. So secured trading service is an online transaction service at madeinchina.com. It is available for both buyers and sellers. You can complete the whole transaction process quickly online to grow your business. So, and there is a transaction fee. Madeinchina.com provides free secure trading service for all the buyers. However, the buyers will be charged for a transaction fee when order payment being completed online. And here you can see the fees that are applicable. Credit debit card, 2.99% of transaction amount, processing time 1-2 hours, PayPal, SPI, PSE, for example, or PIX, it's $15 per payment, so on and so forth. So what is the difference between secure trading service and sending inquiries? Choosing secure trading service, you will make the payment to madeinchina.com first to keep your money safe. So it means that you will never transfer money to the company or the supplier that you don't know, and you can be sure that your money will not be gone and they will stay with madeinchina.com until everything is confirmed and delivered. Why choose a secure trading service? Secure online trading, on-time shipments, optional product inspection, gain control over product quality, and reduce potential risks by opting for the product inspection service. Flexible payment options, as you can see, a 30-day refund policy. So they offer a 30-day refund policy, allowing you to apply for a refund within 30 days after receiving the products for any delivery or product issues, and 24/7 customer support, which is very important. So how many types of secure trading service orders are there? Initiated by the buyers, negotiated orders, and rush orders. It is a fixed order initiated by the buyers, and buyers can pay directly without negotiating with suppliers. And initiated by the suppliers, only supplier drafted order. And we're coming back to my search results. How do you make secure trading happen? So you need to choose on your left secured trading. And right now you will see the search results that are specifically tailored to your needs. And you can see that this supplier is audited, it has some certification, and of course all the payments will be protected by madeinchina.com. And you can choose, for example, these products. You can see everything that is happening here. Contact the supplier about freight and estimated delivery time, payment methods, secure payments. Every payment you make on madeinchina.com is protected by the platform, and you can claim a refund if your order doesn't ship, is missing, or arrives with product failures. Yes, secured trading service, transactions in 6 months, as you can see. There is the list of the transactions. You can see the certificates that approve the eligibility of this producer, so on and so forth. Yes, there is even more information that you can research and get about that. I recommend you check out my description box below this video, because I'm leaving all the important links for you. Please go ahead and try madeinchina.com. It will make your business grow faster, and you can expect higher incomes right away. Thank you for watching. I will be back with a new portion of interesting videos. Take care.